Sambonani, welcome to Couch Coach, your coach on the couch, the best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for pressing the play button. Mamelodi Sundowns 2, Golden Arrows 1. A very tactical game. Both coaches came with their tactics. I mean, I love coaches that love to think and try different things, right? Before Ngene came in, Pirates and Sundowns played at the same time as well. There was no need, like, as a country, we felt to move with a lot of things, even in PSL. There was no need for Guti Pirates Idlale Izolo. They could have shifted the game with Badlale today on a Thursday. Business, guys. At least you'll have people who are Tuesday, Badlale Chiefs, Wednesday, Badlale Sundowns, Thursday, Badlale Pirates. The Pirates in the Pulukwane City, they are not playing in Nedbank Cup over the weekend. So they could have played on a Thursday, which is today. Going back to the game. First half, Arrows started well. I'm going to show you what they were trying to do. I understand their game plan, but it didn't work for Warner. And I understand why it didn't work for Arrows. I'll show you that. And then it's Sundowns. What I spoke about, Chiefs. What you do on the right, you must do on the left. So what Sundowns did, what they always do on the left, now they did it on the right. I'll show you that. Tactical game, abo referee, I'm trying to abo referee because referees need help of it. Whether we like it or not, the game is too fast. The game is too fast for abo referee. So I'm going to slowly say, abo referee, yeah, they need help. Now, the first minute of the game, Sizoqala Arrows, right? Arrows, most teams that like to play the ball sometimes forget Uguti. When you have a chance to break and go forward, you have to take it, counter attack or break attack. But most teams bafuna ukubuyela emuva and play kube mnandi and dance. Sugar. Watch. This guy has the chance to pass this guy. Bese you are phambili. I'm not saying good bazokora, but siya phambili. But he decides to play the ball la ku left back. Na left back ayisa pass kune space la. Umuntu is far. Pass the ball la. But what happens? They decide to go back. Okay. Sharp. They are good playing. They are a good team. Good playing ball team. Bayaphuma la. But now decision making. So the Arrows their game plan was to catch Sundowns on the sides. So what they did is they took a striker, Ution. I'll show you Ution. He was always offside, which is a good idea. But the Inkinga, he was further away from the center backs. That is why it was a problem. But here in this clip, there's two players at Golden Arrows that this guy could have passed. You pass the ball here. You see Ution is offside. So the wrong pass there was made. Yes, the idea for Arrows is to play and catch Sundowns on the side. In this clip, I'm going to show you Arrows, they just didn't execute it. Execute. They are good ball, Vel. They are good ball playing team. Now, remember what I said. They had Ution playing offside. It was intentional. This is Ution. It was intentional for Ution with Abela. But the problem is now, you are playing, it's like you are one man down. You are one man down because he's not involved. So they are counting on getting the ball la and then cross it to him. If you watch European football, most teams adla Barcelona kanjalo because they play a high line. And another thing, this guy is not supposed to be here. At least Abela, because Manila near short, we can't play. In this clip now, right? 1, 2, play the ball here. Why Funusha to touch? Let me take it back. Bayadlala kamnandi. Cause bamnandi. Ne? 1, 2. We expose the ball. You can't trap. PSL player, professional player. We expose the ball. By 13. Imagine that they played 1, 2, and then by your call. Final clip here arrows. The final clip here arrows. They win the ball. It's counter attack. Decision making is very important. You see where Udion Ugupi. Hey, last time I said Dion Houghton. Udion. You see Udion Ugutugu. He's offside. And he's too far. At least for me now, I would like Abe somewhere la. Just close to the defender. But here, decision making. This ball, Bellinghazala, Untanga decides to play it. That was a bad pass. Now, okay, sharp. Asiben Slim, you are a striker, my man. You are a striker. Kune spaces siningi la. Siningi space la. You don't utilize it. You ufuni polarize emoyeni. Mfana git. Tesugu Sundown smash. Remember what I said. What you do on the left, you do on the right. So in this game, what they normally do is you'll find Umutiba tucking in as a Pagat Nendao, and then you would find Matthews on the side, right? Touch line on the left hand side. In this game, they had Umutau tucking in. I don't think Arrows expected Sundowns to do this. Sorry. Ball goes to the left. Gonna come back in the middle. Now Umutau. Normally you won't see Umutau la. You'd find another midfielder coming here, a number 10 or a half 10. He would come here. But in this game, Umutau was joining in the middle, and then you would find Matthews la on the side. In this game, to be honest, Matthews had a one of his best games. Yes, he didn't score, but he gave that left back problems. Another clip, yes, Sundowns. Reyners, ne? He likes ukrepa ngama stats. Okay, let's continue. Mutau joining in. But another tactic, not sure if it was a tactic, but if it was, it's a good one. Where you find Usales, not staying or sticking here, always coming here, causing a problem. Magnitude causing a problem when you are close to a midfielder here. Now a midfielder may be aware, be aware with Esan, Guno Muntula. Then it gives room for Umutau. Let me take it back. Maybe you don't understand. You see where Sales is, and it. This guy is looking at Umutau, but Kuno Sales la. Wenzani uvala le space lesi ukuthi bangakhona ukudlala uSales, but now it opens up his space. Look at this space esila. Yenzani Sundowns iyaphuma because at the same time Arrows, they were playing a 4-3-2-1 or a 4-3-3, or you can say a 4-3-1-2. Chap. Matthews was always alone, like 18. Now remember I said uReynolds uthanda ukutrapper ngama-stats. It's not a good thing because it's not a good touch. Sometimes you have a good touch, sometimes you have a bad touch. You are not even sure, and you'll always expose the ball. Now he had to protect the ball. Mara manje kunomuntu la. Now you can't pass that passage because bofuna ukutrapper ngama-stats, manje mele uprotect ibhola. Now you can't pass someone there. Yeah? You can't pass someone la. Kunomuntu la mfana kithi. Decision making is a problem for us la eMzansi. Now watch. Goalkeeper ophethe ibhola ne. Watch uTebogo Mokoena la. He's looking on his left. Now he's gonna look on his right. Then he moves. He can see because there is no one this side. Then he moves to close down the space on the left. But ukeeper kaboni ubheke phansi. You can't mfana kithi. You can't try and play ibhola la ubheke phansi. No, you can't. If you're going to play ibhola in between abantu, you need to know where is the ball, then you can pass. It is possible. Yes, it is possible. I go to manage ibhola lila and then you are looking down, then you are passing. No. Sorry to disturb you guys. Remember last year I said I'll be doing a player analysis, right? That's only for memberships, people who are members, right? If you are a member, you can request which player do you want me to do a player analysis. Please join, guys. It's only 15 rand, or the first level is 15 rand. The startup package is 15 rand. Yes, I know Bafethu times are tough. We live in a bad economy, right? But it's 15 rand. Please join. Please become a member. Extra content, right? Extra content for members only. I'll be posting exclusive content for our members only. Now, please continue watching. Warjis, I'm fanagit. Warjis, decision making. Now watch. It's 3 against 2. Ispace isila, asikho la. Why ungaphasi lena? Mfanagit. Rikasiluki, World Cup. Chance, yes and downs. Arozia pressure, okay, sharp. Communication, go to your right, go to your left. Remember what I said, Guti. This guy is supposed to block a pass Elizala Gusantos. Ne, watch what he does. He moves. Pa la Pumakon. Mateo. Hey Uzamile mfanagit. Another chance here, Sundowns. I spoke about uReynolds athepa ngamabele. Guys, athepa ngamaphin thingathi amabele cause hey. Now okay, wait, let me take it back. When you defend, guys, as a midfielder, this guy is a midfield. You must always protect the defense. You are a shield. You forget about this man, right? You come and protect here. If they play the ball to him, then you go and press. I go to Umela, then they play the ball there. Yeah? Look at this guy. He's not closing down Tilana. Then they play the ball there. Now, uReynolds, why do you want to turn? Fanagit? Eh? Be a wall. You don't have to score all the time, guys. But pasile, be a wall. Eh? Or trapper upasa omunye umntwana laphaya. Hayi ukuthi wena ufuna ukuzithenela. Eh? Hayi bafethu. Sales uyamnika. Aish. Best goal of the game. One thing that I like about I'm a player with Sundowns is they can switch and play multiple positions, right? when you shift and go to a different position, you need to know what to do in that position. La bekumutau, la Matthews should have scored. Now, it's still our ball. Askorang angit. It's still our ball. It's okay. Continue to play. Continue to play. Continue to play. Ibhola kusase late. Now watch. Matthews manje la, right? Matthews la. Now umutau la. Remember what I said. I said, if you are a midfielder, you are what? You are a shield. You protect the defenders. Look at this guy. He's not being a shield. He is not being a shield. These guys are supposed to press. This one is supposed to stand like this. I saw. You protect the defenders. You be a shield. He doesn't. Ponzi. The Brazil are winning World Cup. Guys. It's not a good technique to use. It's not. I don't prefer umponzi, but if umponzi uyasebenza, Sundowns had a lot of chances in the first half. I am not going to show you all of them. Just going to show you this last one. Williams is the best passer. Goalkeeper sake sabanayo. Yeah, better than Utumelo Nkumu. Right? It's just that he doesn't play for any of the teams associated. If he did, if he played for Pirates or Chiefs, this guy can pass. This guy can pass. Space Lana, okay, sharp. Timnandi. Matthews had two opportunities the crosser or the passer, and both of them they were fana. It's like wadlala emoyeni and with speed. Yes. Mara Matthews mfanangiti. You had a good game, Mara. It's a difficult cross, my man. Uzokora kanjani omunye umntwana? He actually had a chance to pass. Because La is not going to score. Maybe Dlala uMudiba ke. Hey, uyalincabuza. Second half, guys. Second half, still the same thing. If it wasn't for the red card, I think Iskobe behave, right? But with 10 men, now the game became a competitive game, especially for the Arrows, you know? And one thing about the Sundowns, when they are in cruise control, Bafit, it's like especially my Kali is second half. Yo, badlala angazi ukuthi baphethwe yini. My Kali second half. Go back to the game Pirates, right? Leading 2-0. My Kali second half bayenzani? Badlala ngathi abafuni, badlala ngathi bayachoma. Yeah, asiyeni. Game just started in the second half. Ne? They have a chance to clear the ball. Yeah, this was offside, but okay, sure. They have a chance to clear the ball. And this was not a corner. But Urevutini, uthi corner kick. Urevutini, this was offside. This was offside. Okay. Asen Pambi, let me take it back. They play a short corner, you're sleeping on duty. You have the chance to kick the ball. It's fine if you kick the ball again for a corner kick. When you want to do your own thing. Now we are under pressure. Boom. Arrows had the chance to score, to equalize, because first half bebangeko. And in football we know if you don't take your chances, you are going to cry. If you don't take your chances, within a minute or two, Sundowns yenzani iyangale iyakora. You cannot be a winger. Sithi sidlala izonal, then they play the ball la phakathi nawe. Mfana ngithi. Hayi. Guy Foster, don't force it. Now watch. Cross. Phakathi, inside. Phakathi, inside. Mara, the person that makes this goal is Umutau. Watch the run yaga Mutau. I mean, Eyaga Mukwena. The run yaga Mukwena. If I got this guy in two minds, should I go forward or is a move? Because now, look, it's 2 against 1, or it's 3 against 1, or who's okay away. This guy is caught in between. Sales Phakathi, inside. There's one thing that I've noticed lately, and I'll never understand, Guti. Why do players like coming in the middle or passing the ball in the middle when they have an option ukuthi baphase esayidini? Yini lemnandi ephakathi nendawo? Hayi. Sundowns playing with 10 men, ne? Red card seyenzakalile. Now sharp. Ball gets played here. Allende has the chance to turn because sikhona space la. He has the chance to turn and pass the ball forward. He doesn't. He plays the ball there. Now, Umdamani has the chance to pass the ball here to Santos. Angithi, pass the ball on the side. Siyashota. You don't go in the middle. Okay, sharp. Upasa kuMkwena. UMkwena, he doesn't scan. Akaskenanga. Ugcine untanga ala. Now, why do you want to go? Why do you want to go le? That right. Why want to people uye phambili? Iya phambili angithi uphakathi nendawo. Iya phambili. But because he didn't scan. Balthatha. Thathiani decision making arrows. Decision making yakantanga, try to dribble. Okay, sharp. Now, another player, Ianzani, wants to go in the middle. Bayampasa, he wants to come in the middle. You have the chance to go out. Decision making yagasise laphaya. He could have passed the ball now, but angazi yini le phakathi nendawo abantu bayithanda kanje. The offside goal. I'm just showing you Guti, as a team, even if you are down with one player, it doesn't mean with Manji now we have to sit at the back and wait for them to attack and play on the counter. No. If this ball will phethwe u-Allende bekazofuna ukchange, but because liphethwe u-Reynas, we attack. He wants to score. Okay, sharp. Ayivumi. Keep the ball. Keep the ball. Hey, why can't say it's a Mateo these days, eh? Keep the ball. Kiss. Keep it simple. Keep it simple. Just passing. Pass and move. Just because it's a shorter does not mean Guti we can't score. Beautiful move. A beautiful goal. Ulinesman azange aphakamisa flag. So if ulinesman akaphakamisa flag, why is the referee going there? That's my thing. Why is the referee going to the linesman? Now see at discussa, ha. Last call of the game, final clip, bese ngiyayivala. Ball comes wide, sharp. 1-2 mfana kithi, 1-2. Yini le enifunayo phakathi nendawo? Now we lose the ball. Break attack. So this was a difficult one, Bafethu. To be honest, yes, alimshaya ngesandleni, but it was a Tina, because we have a lot of replays, a lot of angles, we can say ukuthi it's not a handball. Limshaya ebusweni or limshaya esifubeni. It's because it's sine replay, but our everyday don't have. This one was a difficult one, right? Difficult one. But don't make things difficult for yourself. Please subscribe, please join, become a member. Ngiyabonga again for the messages, positive messages. Thank you for watching. Ngiyabonga.